Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a video I am super excited to do with you guys today. Recently I have asked you guys in my videos what are some other video styles you would like to see, what are some other subscription boxes that you're maybe interested in or have or heard of, and I received so much feedback from you guys, so thank you so much as always. I love hearing back from you guys, communicating with you guys in these videos, chatting it up with you. It's one of my favorite things about this community and our, weekly and bi-weekly chats together. And by the way, if you did not know, I did an extra Thursday video for you guys this week. I know sometimes I like to pepper those in, so go ahead and check that out right here. But today's video, ooh girl, I was able to get my hands on a box that so many of you guys said you are really interested in. Today we're going to be unboxing a Kinder Beauty subscription box. I'm really excited about this because this entire box is going to be cruelty-free, clean, vegan, all of the things. Because a lot of times, you guys know with my other brands that I have gotten in the past, I have had to kind of like sift through and figure out what was cruelty-free and what wasn't. And now everything in this box is cruelty-free, which makes me super happy. And I'm really excited about the mission behind this box. So I'm really grateful you guys told me about this. Did you guys know that Kinder Beauty is actually a box that has been co-created by two actresses? I didn't know that Harry Potter has some magic in this baby. Actresses and ethical entrepreneurs Daniela Monet and Ivana Lynch from Harry Potter, yeah, that Ivana, are longtime animal activists, and they also happen to be beauty lovers, so they created this box. It's, again, vegan, cruelty-free, clean products, but it's also not just makeup and not just skincare. It's supposed to deliver makeup, skincare, hair care, and accessories. So it's kind of this wide variety in a beauty box, so I'm really excited about this. So as we're getting ready, and I'm going to give you some more details about it, and we unbox this baby, you know what to do. Grab your tea, grab your snack, grab your water, grab your lemon water, correction. Get comfy, because we're going to dive into this box together. Cheers! All right, I haven't even taken it out of its original packaging yet, so let's do that. And while I do this, I'm going to give you a little bit more details about this box if you're unfamiliar, because I'm still learning about it as well. This is a yearly subscription, and it's only $26 a month, and you receive up to $165 worth of value, which is pretty exciting. And that seems to feel a little bit like old school subscription boxes, where it's not gonna be breaking the bank every month and you get a lot of quality, cruelty-free items, which is super exciting. Ooh, let me show you the box. And this is pronounced Kinder, which I love. I think that's so sweet and definitely goes with the mission of the box, right? And something else I'm really excited about is Kinder Beauty is giving a discount to you guys. I love when brands that are high quality, and a lot of you guys are talking about them, give a discount. So that way you can try it at a deal. I'm gonna unbox this with you, but I did want you to know that you can use my code NicoleFisher50 and the link in the description box to get 50% off your first Kinder Beauty box. All right, are you ready? There's already goodness coming out of it. Let's get into it. They do have a little refer a friend code in here as well for you, which is pretty exciting. Apparently, if you can refer a friend for 50% off her first box, you earn $10 towards your next marketplace purchase. Do you guys do marketplace? The marketplace, I'm learning with you guys, is shop the Kinder approved vegan, cruelty-free, and clean beauty exclusive prices. Oh, really? That's kind of cool. Oh, and then there's like a little welcome packet. Welcome to Kinder Beauty box. Oh, I'm really excited. So is this like their card? Is this like their information? Oh, what to expect. Okay, so it's like they know I'm new. There's like an intro box. So a letter from the co-founders, what to expect. And it's like, oh, this box is the Kinder Faves. This is your very first box, and it's packed with our all-time favorite products. So this is like their intro box. So I'm guessing if you like this box, you can still get this box because this is their like intro box. That's cool. And then there's monthly reveals. Each month we reveal 2 boxes. If you're a 6-month member, you can choose which box you get. Subscription renewal, our plans auto-renew every month on the 8th. 3 and 6 month memberships are billed again at the end of your term. Okay, out for delivery Monthly boxes ship in the middle of the month around the 15th, so check your inbox for tracking information. You get rewarded. Earn points with the Kinder Club. Sign in with your Kinder Beauty account and go to their rewards page to see how many points you have already earned and how fast you can earn them. Shop our marketplace for exclusive deals on clean and vegan-free products. Oh, I love that because you guys know I'm always in it for a deal. Oh, and then this tells you everything that's in the box. So it kind of breaks down prices, it breaks down descriptions. Oh, and then they talk about their 1% of all sales go to charity as well, which is really, it sounds totally on par for the mission of this box, which is awesome. All right, so let's get into the goodies, right? The very first thing on top here is a set of Bright Eyes masks, 100% pure. Treat your eyes to some love with this 100% pure hydrated caffeine eye masks. The retail on these is $7, and these look to be that gummy style, which I do like. Ooh, I can see the liquid in here oozing around with it, so I think these will be really nice. And a pro tip is to toss these in the fridge or freezer before you put them on, so then they're nice and chilled to help with the depuffing as well. I love doing that. It says this is made with hydrogel composed of 95% aloe water and 5% plant cellulose. This eye mask is made to adhere to your face until your skin drinks up all of the moisture. Use this for a quick depuffing treatment or for hydrating for a big event, which is really exciting. Okay, I am really excited to try these. And again, I'm so glad to know I don't have to look up brands. I know that's all cruelty-free. So moving in here. Ooh, is this a scrunchie? I think they sent me a scrunchie. I'm getting into it. It is a scrunchie. I could have just looked on the card. So from Moonlit Skincare, this is a bamboo silk scrunchie worth $10. Oh, they have a good point. They're like, are you still seeing some random breakage in your hair no matter how diligent you are with your hair care? Your scrunchie or, hair tie could be the culprit. Silky Smooth Scrunchie is made from a soft bamboo, which means no ridges, breakage, or damage to your hair, which is really nice. I also like that it is silk because I have switched to silk pillowcases because I do have naturally curly hair. I just got my hair cut and colored. Had to get the roots done. But I do notice a huge difference with humidity and my wavy curly hair overnight just by sleeping it. It's so much less frizzy. It's so much less damaged by sleeping on a, silk pillowcase. So that would make actually a lot of sense. So that's really cool. And like I mentioned, this isn't just a makeup box. This isn't just a skincare box. It's kind of a wide variety of all beauty things. So I'm pretty excited to be getting this. I can't wait to try it. Because I don't know about you guys, but I sleep with my hair in like a top knot. Do you guys do that? Like this, I'll show you. It's not the prettiest thing, but like this is how I sleep. And sometimes what I'll do too is get a little small, tiny little clamp and put it up front here just to give a little bit of like poof to the top so it's not just like stuck to my head and gives a little bit of life at top. And then I go to sleep like this. I do. I just go to sleep like this. And then in the morning, my hair is managed, nice and wavy, and usually has a lot less issues. So I imagine sleeping with this is going to be so much better for my hair. I'm pretty excited about that because I already have some scrunchies. I actually have a black one here too, but it definitely is more of, this isn't a boom bamboo silk. This is more of a different texture. So I'm curious to know and learn the differences. See something else in here from Earth Harbor. Now I'm very familiar with this brand from some other subscription boxes I've had in the past, and this is the Mermaid Milk. This is from Earth Harbor for $42. This is a Nourishing Moisturizer. Ooh, wow, it's got hyaluronic acid. It's got all kinds of things in here. Some matcha, antioxidants that work together to lock in moisture, reduce redness, and boost radiance. Earth Harbor is the first beauty brand to achieve climate neutral, plastic negative, and 1% for the planet. Do they mean their packaging? What do they mean? Ooh, I don't think I've received this before. I've gotten a lot from this brand, but I don't recall this. And this looks nice and thick. Let me just try it. Do a little whip. Ooh, it's very like whipped and creamy. This green tone has to be from the matcha, I would guess. Ooh, it feels thick too, so you don't need a lot. So that means that jar is going to go a long way, and it's $42. I actually have been needing some more moisture on my extremities, like my hands and my feet. Because my face may get oily in the summer, but the rest of me dries out. So I'm pretty excited to get this. Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. Okay. Very exciting. What is this little guy here? Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. I do like a good night serum. I have been rotating between some of my old favorites, so let's see what this one does. Holy cow, I just saw the price on this. This is Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum for $52. Soothe and calm your senses with lavender, Lang Lang, and orange oils. This luxurious serum contains a concentrated blend of antioxidants and fatty acid oils that will hydrate and nourish your skin while you sleep. Natural, unisex. Oh, Adam's gonna like trying this, I think. How to use. Apply 2 to 3 drops before bed, warming between the palms of your hands and patting into the face and neck. Okay. I'm going to be intrigued to try this. I'm going to see if there's a scent to it, just so we all know. It has a very, like, natural scent to it, a natural aroma. So it probably is going to smell a little... It doesn't smell like floral or anything like that. So if you're used to some of your cosmetics being a little bit more, you know, flowery and covering up natural scents, you're probably not going to see that with some of these things because these are clean products. Not bad though, not bad at all. It doesn't have any of that like hard musky scent to it. It's just kind of like a natural scent. I am pretty excited about this. So stay tuned and I will be giving you updates, I'm sure, on all of these products, probably in an upcoming faves or fails video. I like to do those to kind of keep you guys in the loop on how things are progressing here as I use things more frequently. And it looks like there's one more thing in here, so it is wrapped. I like to see some decent wrapping. I mean, everything in here is definitely lovingly packaged, which I appreciate that for making sure products come without being broken or anything like that. But let's see. I like that this one has extra wrapping. Oh, wow. This got the VIP treatment. Ooh, Hawaiian Beauty Water. Hawaiian Beauty Water? Do they have that in like the waterfalls there? What do they have that's Hawaiian Beauty Water? I need to learn more. So Hanua Skincare Hawaiian Beauty Water for $18. Tone, tighten, and chill all at the same time. Ingredients like aloe and witch hazel work to fight blemishes and inflammation, while Hawaiian sandalwood, velvetier, nortily, and blue tansy come together for a calming, fresh scent. Wait, what? And it's got, I just noticed, it's got a spray bottle on there. It's like it's got a spray top. Like what? I just spray this? All right, let's try it. Ooh. I like the mist. Ooh, wait. Smells floral-like. I like the mist. It just kind of like evenly coated. I don't even know if you can see, but it's like all over here now. So it's like one spurt just kind of went everywhere, but not in a bad way. Like it will definitely like coat your face or your body. Fight blemishes and inflammation. Oh, I know Adam's going to want to try this now. I just know he's going to. Smells totally. At first I could smell like a light, I don't know, rose florally scent, and now it's gone. Now there's just like nothing. I can't wait to see how this works. It's just kind of like a little liquidy here. Spread it around. Kind of see how my hand is a little damp now, so it dries pretty quickly though. Oh, I cannot wait to see some results on my face with this. Oh, very excited. I also like that you get special discounts with this brand. So like you can discover more things. I kind of visualize that like some of the other subscription boxes that allow you to kind of like shop their stuff, and whether you get charms or you get points or whatever. I really like that you can even try more things. I love that part about it the most because then you get to pick and choose what you want. So now I'm going to add up all of the products in here just to see how much is their like intro box, the box that has all of their favorites. So this is a $129 value box. So I feel like you get a good amount of product too for these things, because like this jar is going to last a really long time. The spray is going to last quite a while. And this oil, I mean, yeah, oils take a while to go through as it is. Wow. Plus a scrunchie that you can use over and over and over and over. And like I said, I use them nightly for sleeping, and some nice cooling eye masks. So your first box would look like this if you are interested in it. And I feel like you get a pretty good value. I popped onto their website really quickly just to see what the monthly subscription packages would look like. So the monthly plan is $26 per month. The 3-month prepay plan makes it $24 per month. And then if you move over into the 6th-month prepay plan, it's $23 a month. So you do get a discount for the longer you commit, which is very normal in the subscription box world, which makes a lot of sense. Oh, and I guess if you do the 6-month prepay, so you get it for $23 a month, not only is it cheaper, but you get a free bonus box with a $125 value with your first shipment, which is also like getting more value. That's awesome. So subscribers that join will automatically become part of the Kinder Club and start earning those points that I was mentioning to get to sharpen their marketplaces and things like that. When the marketplace is open to everyone, you can get amazing deals on beauty products from the best brands in clean beauty. Plus, if you're a Kinder Beauty subscriber, you can use your reward points. Oh, so the way I understand that then is that we could currently shop that, decide if we like it, and then if you're a subscriber, you get discounts on that. Ooh, I like that. Okay, awesome. So I just popped onto their website and I went to shop. And then I went down to makeup. So let's say I wanted to go and look for some clean, vegan, cruelty-free makeup and I didn't want to, have to wait for it. I'm looking through their website now and I'm seeing where I can buy like eyelashes, mascara, things like that for a discount already. So now I'm gonna look at hair care because I've definitely been focusing on hair care. So I'm gonna scroll through here. Oh, there's a shampoo bar, sea salt mist for $12. Okay, so there are some options in here. Looking under skincare, oh my goodness, they have a lot of different options as well. Wow, they have a lot in here. Look at founder favorites. Ooh, love your body collection, Hawaiian beauty rituals. Guys, this was a lot of fun. I enjoyed digging through all of this with you, and thank you so much to Kinder Beauty for supporting my little channel and sponsoring this video and sending me my first Kinder Beauty box. This has been a lot of fun, and it's been one of those things where I'm looking for clean beauty products. I'm looking for cruelty-free beauty products to try. So this is something that was right in my wheelhouse, and I love that you guys had asked about this as well. Some of you are already getting it. Some of you have been curious about it. So thank you guys for letting me know what you want, and let me know what some other videos you want to see coming up. Thank you so much, friends, and if you happen to be new to my channel, hi new friends, I really hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below, because I did let you guys know, I believe in the beginning of this month, I'm gonna have some updates for you, personal updates, channel updates, all the things coming very soon, and things are getting solidified behind the scenes to be able to share stuff soon. So click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, click all so you don't miss out. Check out my last video you probably missed on Thursday, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.